It's not one. All right, now show her your face.
Say hi.
Hi.
What you eating?
Chocolate.
What did you make?
A cake.
For who? Let me see you smile. Smile.
Who'd you make a cake for? Who'd you make?
Mommy.
Yeah.
How old are you?
3.
3, only 3?
Yeah.
Or 3 and a half?
Yeah.
How old are you going to be? Are you going to be 5?
4.
Very good. Did you get all messy?
Yeah.
Your dress was nice and clean a minute ago. Say, Mom, happy birthday.
Mom, happy birthday.
Sing it. Sing the song.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday.
How about sing your song from church?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your song from church? What's his name? The name of God?
Jesus.
How does the song go?
Remember Colleen taught you? Remember? Do you remember Colleen taught you the song?
I love you, Mommy.
Okay. Now, what was the song that you learned at church?
The ukulele one.
Yeah?
Yeah, the ukulele. Wait. I just want to see them.
Okay, go sit back over there. I'll show you what you look like. Here you go.
Hey, you think that's danger.
I don't understand you. Don't touch it with your chocolate.
I got a chocolate face.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, no, you do.
They get her on there talking
Hey, you do.
What?
for ballerina class and dance class.
What'd you do with ballerina class?
What'd you do at class? Did you dance?
Remember the A-Wiki? A-Wiki? B-Wiki?
What'd you do at class?
Or My God is Real? I Know My God is Real. Remember that one? Sing it.